Ew. Ah. Do I have to swallow it? Weird. There's the dragon. The dragon's name is Toothless, by the way. The boy's name is Hiccup. I know what to do.